Today I want to show you how to care for a garden cosmos, also known as a Mexican Aster. I just love all the different colors that the flowers come in, but as you can see, some of them are spent. So today I'm going to deadhead them. Let me show you where you should cut. So here's a spent flower, and if you look, I can cut it right down here at the base of the plant. And right off of there is the new flower coming off, and I don't want to cut that stem, just the one that's spent. So right at the joint, right there. Right here's another one. This is spent, and if I trace it back down to the stem, I can cut it right at its base, but making sure not to cut this one that's blooming. It's definitely best to use some sort of garden shears or scissors. If you try to do it just with your hand, you could accidentally damage the stem that has the flower on it. I want to make more exact cuts. So this is what they look like before they bloom, or like this one right here. But anything that has any kind of like dead hanging off of it, that's the spent bloom. It's okay if you're not completely down to the very end of the base. The reason you want a deadhead is that you don't want the flower to be putting its energy, sending any kind of nutrients up the stem to a dead flower. You want the plant to put all its energy into the new blooms. It's already looking so much better. Did you notice the other plants around the edge of this pot? Last year this pot had petunias in it, and they reseeded themselves. I just put this pot right into my garage for the winter, and after I planted these cosmos in here, I noticed that these were growing around the edges. It's been taking them a long time to get ready to bloom, but I can tell on the other side that I might have some petunia blooms soon. You never know what's going to come back in your garden. Let me just finish this up and get out of the sun. I can't wait until all of these bloom. Look at all those buds just waiting to show their colors. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Here's the little collection of the spent flower heads. I think I'm going to keep these. I'm going to put them in a jar and let them further dry out, because I believe these are all full of seeds, and I would really love to have more of these next year.